I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the costs of owning a Hellcat. Owning a high-performance vehicle like a Hellcat comes with a unique set of financial considerations beyond the initial purchase. We'll dive into the significant expenses you can expect, from keeping its powerful engine fueled to ensuring it stays in peak condition. This guide will help you understand the full financial picture, allowing you to make an informed decision about bringing one of these incredible machines into your garage. Let's get started. The journey begins with the purchase price. A new Hellcat can set you back anywhere from $70,000 to over $90,000, while a used one might start around $50,000. But don't forget insurance. Due to its powerful engine and high value, annual premiums often exceed $3,000. Your driving history, where you live, and even your age will play a big role in determining your exact rate, so it's wise to get a few quotes. Keeping a Hellcat fueled is a major ongoing expense. These beasts demand premium gasoline and typically achieve only 10 to 13 miles per gallon. Depending on how much you drive, you could easily spend $3,000 to $5,000 or more on fuel each year. Maintenance is also key. Expect to pay several $100s annually for routine services. And those performance tires, vital for grip, are pricey, often over $1,000 a set, and might need replacing every 15,000 to 20,000 miles. Beyond routine care, be prepared for potential repairs. High-performance parts can be expensive. A brake job, for instance, might cost over $1,500. While Hellcats tend to hold their value better than some other performance vehicles, depreciation is still a consideration, particularly during the initial years of ownership. It's wise to set aside a contingency fund for unexpected issues and factor in the gradual decrease in value when planning your long-term financial commitment to this incredible machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.